Good morning, ma'am. Today I perform an activity on how factors affecting solubility. So let us see. So first we know that what is solubility. The amount of solute which dissolved in per 100 ml of solvent is called solubility. There are some factors also which affect solubility like rate of stirring, particle size, temperature, nature of solute and pressure. So first we know that how rate of stirring affects solubility. So let us see. So first we have to take two glasses, name them A and B. Put some water in it. After do that, put half teaspoon of sugar in both solutions. Stir both solutions. Stir only solution A with the help of a spoon. Now observe both solutions. What do you observe? The solution A which we have stirred has some dissolved with solvent, but the solution which we have don't stirred was not completely dissolved with the solvent. So it indicates that the faster of rate of stirring helps the solute to fastly dissolved in a solvent. So next we have to see how particle size affect solubility. In this we have again take two glasses, name both glass A and glass B. In this put some water. In solution A, we have put some sugar powder. You see that this is sugar powder. And in solution B, we have put normal sugar or sugar crystal. Stir both solutions. After do that, observe both solutions. What do you observe? In solution A, which we have put sugar powder, was completely dissolved with the solvent. And in solution B, in which we have put sugar crystal, was not completely dissolved with the solvents. So it indicates that the smaller of the particle helps the solute to fastly dissolve in solvent. So next factor is how temperature was affect solubility. So in this we again take two glasses, namely A and B. In glass A we have to put hot water. In this bottle is hot water. And this is cold water. You can see the droplets here. Now in both solutions we have to put some coffee. Now what do you observe? Observe both solution. In the glass which we have put hot water was fastly dissolved with this. In glass B which we have put cold water was not dissolved fastly with the coffee, you can see that the color of both solution, this color was very dark because it properly dissolved with the solvent, and this color was some light because it doesn't properly dissolved with the solution solvent. So this indicates that the higher temperature of the solvent was a help solute to fastly dissolve. So our next factor was nature of solute. In this we have to take two glasses and name A and B. Here I am taking two glasses, namely A and B. Before proceed this activity, I would tell in generally the solute would dissolve fastly in hot water, but this is not time. This is not all time. It is depend on the nature of solute, that how fast it was dissolved in the solvent. So in both solution we have to put hot water. In solution A, put half teaspoon of sugar, and in solution B, put half teaspoon of salt. Stir both solutions. Now observe both solutions. What do you observe? In solution A, which we have put sugar, was completely dissolved with the hot water, and in solution B, which we have put hot water with salt, was not completely dissolved with the solvent. So after do this, we have to again take two glasses, namely A and B. In both glasses we have to put cold water. Now in solution A we have to put half teaspoon of sugar, and in solution B we have to put half teaspoon of salt. Stir both solutions. Now observe both solutions. What do you see? In solution A, which we have put half teaspoon of sugar, was not dissolved properly with the solvent, but in solution B, which we have put half teaspoon of salt, was completely dissolved with the solvent. So it indicates that regardless of temperature, it is not depend on the solvent that it fastly dissolved with the solute. It depends on the nature of solute, that how fast it will dissolve in solvents. So it will temperature, pressure, all was affect solubility. So our next factor is pressure. So for pressure we have to take a cold drink. Squeeze the cold drink before opening. Shrink. Here I have shake the cold drink bottle. Now we open this. I was very excited. You can see that here that the cold drink was full with some foam. Why this is? This is because the cold drink was dissolved with CO2, or we can also see that the cold drink was the cold drink containing some CO2. This is because if we the cold drink was not able to dissolve the CO2. But when we lower the temperature of the cold drink and high the temperature of the CO2, it was dissolved easily. So it indicates that the pressure was also affect solubility. So here my activity was ended. Thank you.